It's funny, isn't it? Look, I've got a lovely cosy house there, all warm and toasty. It's chucking it down with rain out here. But my favourite place to be, even in this weather, is in my little man cave area. I absolutely love it. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's something a bit more sort of ingrained in a man to be out and doing things with his hands, but I just rather be out here, just pottering about. I've just washed all my brushes out from today, my brushes and roller sets, because I'm working tomorrow. We're really lucky actually to have this out here. I've probably shown this a couple of times, but we're so lucky. We got, when we moved into this house, all this was already out here, because the bloke before it, he was like into all his manshed stuff. I think he was into engineering. He had like a lot of metalwork stuff, I think, when we looked at it. So we've got hot and cold water out here. We've got radiators, got plumbing, washing machine, tumble dryer we'll put out here. And then I had all this space. So I converted all this into what it is now, so. But it's just absolutely perfect for me, really. Anyway, enough of that. I'm working tomorrow, and Sunday as well. Basically, the van is going in for, oh God, put that back on. The van is going in for MOT on Wednesday, and he said potentially they've got to have it for 2 days, so I've got so much work to catch up with. I thought, right, I'll get it going tomorrow, I go in Sunday, and that's the 2 days covered then. It's the only way to do it sometimes, isn't it? Just push yourself and get in and out, get it done really. So yes, that's it. So just washing the rollers out from today. I decorated the walls in the hall stairs and landing that I skimmed the other day. Painted all of them today. They look okay, come out all right. I'll put a picture or a little video attached up here somewhere now. And yeah, so not a lot to show you today really. I wasn't going to make any sort of video, but I don't know if you realise, I try and do a video daily, like some blokes do them like weekly, but I enjoy doing it. I enjoy all the technical editing and putting it all together, so I try and do like a daily thing and keep it up to date. I might put this out this evening, just a little update on what I've been up to, and if not, I will definitely see you all tomorrow anyway, because I'm back at another job I was previously in. I don't know if any of you remember, I was preparing 2 alcoves for redecoration, so I'm in there tomorrow. So what's that? Oh, wait a minute, hold on, sorry, just 1 minute. Come in, come say hello.
It's marvellous to see you all, it's marvellous.
Now piss off, Bruce. Yeah, unbelievable, isn't it? Anyway, enjoy this Friday night, as miserable as it is, and I'll see you tomorrow.